This clip is sponsored by American Mobile. If you're a nurse interested in traveling, visit americanmobile.com to get started. What ways, technology certainly has evolved immensely. What about like the ways that you teach? Like, when you started, do you feel like it's different in the ways that when you started nurse education 15 years ago, did you teach differently then than you teach now?
I think the students are different, and I think I adjust to that. And we go through generations, and I think
Yeah.
I think the needs of students are different than 15 years ago. And I think the
Okay.
pandemic certainly has impacted the students as well.
Yeah.
So we have to be nimble with that. We really have to be understanding of the student and where they are, because there are students that may need to work full time, or
Yeah.
that they didn't have to 15 years ago. And we really, at our university, we really want those first generation students. We want them to come to our university. We draw in those students, which is really great. I think that their mental health is important. Their responsibilities at home.
Sure.
There's all different types of ways in which people learn this. So as a nurse educator, you need to be understanding of that and communicate the content and the information in a way that captures all students.
Yeah. Do you feel like that has that kind of, honing in on the student themselves and how they best, how they're able to best succeed? Do you feel like that is a value now that wasn't a value 15 years ago?
I think it's more focused on those things and more
Sure.
appreciation of that, and then modifying my teaching for each and every student so they
Gotcha.
learn best. So I'm always interested in best teaching practices and best ways that students learn. And it could be varied in the classroom setting, online teaching, in the
Sure.
clinical setting. So I've done all of those things in rapid pace programs, in our accelerated baccalaureate nursing program, which is a 1-year program, our traditional program, and our graduate program. So those who are in our graduate program, they have a lot of responsibility. Oftentimes they have family, they may have children,
Yeah.
they work full time. And so it's modifying the way we teach so we
Yeah.
could accommodate the students, and we want
Right.
to retain our students and have them learn best.